Hello everybody, this is Nora and thank you for tuning in to today's video. This is going to be a collaboration with my friend Tina from Moon Baby Nails. If you don't know Tina, you need to tune in to one of her videos. I will have the link to her channel down in the description bar. She is funny, she's very thorough with her manicures and everything that she has to share. She makes you feel like you're sitting right there on the dining table talking a bit while in doing your manicure. She is lovely and I love having her as a sub and a friend. Tina, I am glad that we're doing this together. So what we thought we will do, she went ahead and, as a collaboration, she picked the colors and I thought of the design. So the colors that we decided to go were pinks and gold. So I have a few variations of pinks here. And I figured, well, with these colors, I thought flowers. And being that it's January, I thought, well, let's go with January's flower, which is the carnation. And looking back through my floral plates from Beauty Big Bang, which we both have, this image right here reminded me a lot of carnations, and this one also. So I am going to use this image, and this is Beauty Big Bang's plate number 09. And I have this plate here because I'm going to use just some polka dots from this good old plate from, this is Born Pretty, and this is BBL013. So let's get started. Okay, so here is the final result after some minor cleanup and applying top coat. What do you guys think? I think it turned out very lovely. I love the color combination. Thank you, Tina, again for choosing these colors, and thank you for playing. I really enjoyed this mani. Again, I will have linked down to Tina's video, so go check her out. Check out her version of this collaboration that we did today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.